Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can enable advanced trading in Coinbase. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, to begin with, you need to open Coinbase application on your device. Once you open the application, you will see this interface. From here, you need to tap on the menu option at the top left corner. From here, you will find the option Coinbase Advanced. All you need to do is to tap on the enable option, and here they say Coinbase Advanced, supercharge your trading. All these options you can read about it, that you can have these if you enable the advanced Coinbase Advanced Trading. So all you need to do is to tap on continue to Coinbase Advanced after reading all these, and then tap on here. So once you tap on here, it will take a bit of time to load, and now as you can see, advanced trading evolved. You can tap on continue, and as you can see now, everything has been changed. The menu has been changed from here as well. So if you want to switch back, just tap on here, and from here you can switch back to the normal mode. You can just disable this one, and once you disable, it will take a bit of time to load again, and as you can see now, it has been disabled. So guys, this is how you can enable advanced trading in Coinbase. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.